Hi, Dr. Marianne Cintron, founder of Step by Step Dyslexia Solutions, and I use music with phonics to help kids read. So let me share a text with you that I received early this morning. This is from Adele McKinney, one of my board members, who is a co-founder of Promise Christian University in Covina. She said, Marianne, this is interesting. Today we met with our former studio production manager, Lilia. She's more than a black belt in karate. All through school, she struggled to understand her lessons. She barely made it through high school, but she was determined she was going to go to college. One day, one of her high school teachers stopped her at the doorway and said, Lilia, I think you're dyslexic. She didn't know what that was, and actually she was insulted. But he said, go to the office and take a short test to confirm if you're dyslexic or not. So Lilia let it go, but at first it offended her. The teacher told her there are many benefits to being dyslexic. Teachers will give you extra time to finish exams and homework. So she went to the office and the test was 5 questions. Can you imagine that? It took her the longest time to answer those simple 5 questions. The instructor took one look and said, Lilia, you are dyslexic. Okay, she was happy the teachers gave her the extra attention and she got an A in photography and in PE, and she struggled to get better grades in the academic subjects. She would sit for hours trying to understand what a paragraph or a sentence meant. She enrolled in junior college and one of her professors stopped her on the way out again. And he said, I think you're dyslexic. So she received extra time on her tests, and she got a lot of positive attention. But she was so stressed out. What would normally take an hour took her 3 to 4 hours. Finally, she was getting so upset, she said to herself, I'm going to relax. I'm going to calm down and turn on some music. And then she began to study, and she was amazed. After a while listening to music, her mother was speaking to her in Spanish, but Lilia was doing her work in English. And after some time, she began to understand. From then on, she studied with music. And she's brilliant. She started getting all A's, and her teachers told her she is a genius. I gave her your book, Dyslexia, A Trait of Genius, because she still didn't understand why she overcame her problems with music. She got her master's and she's going for her doctorate at USC. I told her that the key to Dr. Marianne Cintron's work is teaching is music. And she thought that would be a very independent confirmation for me. And I'm just so excited because I've shared this with so many friends. It is a confirmation, independent confirmation. I've seen this for 18 years. I'm learning more and more about the Orton Gillingham model, but you cannot use the music the way I use it with my reading program. The Orton Gillingham works, but it's enhanced, I think, when you use my reading program with music. So visit me at dyslexia-solutions.com, or you can reach out to me if you want to have a consult at meetmarianne.com. Thanks for listening. And please like us, subscribe, and share.